Hey friends, what's up? My name is Michael, and on this channel we discuss about how to start small-scale businesses. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 most profitable business ideas you can start by importing these machines from either China or sourcing them from around. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. List number 1, we have an incubator. An incubator comes in different sizes. Of course, if you want to start hatchery business, buying an incubator will be something that is so lucrative for you. You can choose to source this incubator locally, or you can buy it from abroad. They come in different sizes from maybe 20, 50, 100, 500, and 1000 eggs per round. If you buy this incubator for yourself, definitely you'll be able to make some good amounts of money. Remember, eggs are cheap in Uganda, and you can buy fertilized eggs at 400 Uganda shillings each egg. And if you buy an incubator that accommodates 1000 eggs, you'll be able to pay 400,000 for buying eggs only. Remember, each chick after 21 days, it can cost around 3,000 to 4,000 Uganda shillings depending on the breed. Of course, you'll be able to make around 2,600,000 from hatchery every after 21 days if you buy an incubator that accommodates 1,000 eggs. This can be a lucrative business if you start it as a business and you don't stock chicks for rearing, but you sell them after every 1 day. Of course, if you deduct other costs of production, this can leave you with around 2 million Uganda shillings after every 21 days. If you want to know more about this machine, kindly feel free to inbox me on the number that you see on the screen. Number 2 is the shoe washing business. These are machines that wash sneakers. I know this business is not common in most places in Uganda today because these machines are new in the market. The washing machines comes with a dryer, and this can cost you around 5 million Uganda shillings in total. And remember, each shoe that is washed and dried costs 5,000 Uganda shillings. So this machine can wash over 50 shoes in a day. And of course, you can count how much money you can make from the shoe washing business. Remember, you need to be strategic in choosing a location for your business, and you can get someone, you train that person to use that machine. That machine can be got from around. Few people have started importing those machines, and you can choose to import that machine on your own from China. Definitely, it is one of the most profitable business today that is trending. You choose the best location for your business by locating this machine near schools and universities, because those people don't like washing sneakers and they get them dirty every day. So you'll be able to secure market and clients from those respective areas. Choose to buy a shoe washing machine. It comes with its own dryer, and start a shoe washing business today. The third on the list is the peanuts grinding business. Are you a Ugandan with 2 to 3 million and you're looking for a business to invest in? I have brought for you peanuts grinding business. All you need is a grinding machine and also suppliers who will be supplying you these peanuts. Research shows that 7 out of 10 Ugandan homes at least consume peanuts once in a week. So this shows that there is a reliable market for this business. Besides that, peanuts can also be used as a paste that is used when people are consuming bread. So this is a viable business that you have to try. Number 4 on our list is the maize meal business. Did you know that each home in Uganda and 99% of Ugandans cannot spend 2 days without consuming posho? Yes, this makes the maize meal business one of the most profitable businesses you can think about. Of course, these businesses, and including the maize milling business, needs you to be so strategic in sourcing for material. You need to consider two things in order to choose a location for your business. Either there must be market or it should be the source of your raw material. To avoid double costing, make sure you're so strategic in choosing a business location of in business location anywhere you want to start it. Remember that maize milling does not only stop at producing maize flour, but you can start also making chicken feeds through the waste that is got from the maize itself. This is one of the most profitable ventures you can start in the year 2025 because demand is everywhere. And remember, when you start milling maize, you can get market in schools and other institutions that has uh, a big gatherings. Today, it is one of the most consumed food in Uganda. Number 5 on the list, we have the Schoolchalk making business. Did you know that the population is increasing rapidly today in Uganda, and Schoolchalk is being demanded by each and every school? Yes, there are many schools that are starting due to increase in population, and this creates a constant demand for Schoolchalk everywhere in the country. Do you know someone who makes Schoolchalk in your area? Yes. If you can answer this question with a no, then that is the right place for you to start your Schoolchalk production business. This is one of the most profitable venture you can start. I'm not speaking about Schoolchalk just because I'm talking to you, but this is through experience. Schoolchalk production is one of the most profitable business you can think about because production cost of each box of Schoolchalk is only 1,500 Uganda shillings, and Schoolchalk per box is 3,000 Uganda shillings plus. It means there is 100 profitability if you enter into this business. Remember, machines and materials are available locally. You can easily access them by WhatsApping me on the number that you see on the screen, and we offer also free training for commercial Schoolchalk production. Feel free to contact me. I'll guide you throughout the entire business idea. Number 6. The number 6 business idea is what you think about that it should be the next one. Kindly put that idea you want me to talk about in the comment section. I'll break it down in my next video. Feel free to talk to me on my WhatsApp number, and if you are new here, I implore you kindly consider subscribing. I'm going to make for you another video that includes all side hustles you can start even if you are doing a full-time job. Well, thank you so much for sticking on this channel and have a nice time. Bye-bye.